So yeah, you're looking at the screen.
That's the TV, you know?
Yeah, you gotta look there. You see this pimple? It's like twins.
Yeah, what happened?
I don't know.
You woke up like this.
I did.
You should play, every time you get a pimple, it should be, I woke up like this.
I know.
Like little sparkles next to it.
Sparkles! God, I'm like so all over the place. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon'
Are you stunting? You trying to steal my shine?
Steal it. Borrow.
Hey mermaids, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with another look. So I'm gonna be real with you guys. I did forget to film an intro, so I am recording this on a different day. So I did create this cranberry Valentine's inspired, I guess. I think it's so pretty. I am using the soft Glam palette. I don't know why I waited so long to get this. I'm obsessed with this palette, and I want to create a bunch of looks. Like, look at this beauty right here. So nice. The next time I will see you guys is going to be with my new birthday hair. Like, you guys aren't ready because I'm not ready, because I haven't seen myself with this hair in about like 2 years, 3 years, 2 years, 2 years. So yeah, let me stop rambling. I did have a bunch of coffee, so I am like off the wall. I tried a new coffee, which is my boyfriend's coffee, and that shit is hella strong. I'm like over here like, ugh. So before I get into the video though, please subscribe to my channel, be a part of my mermaid squad right here. We are a cool squad, chill out, you know, we like to have fun in this channel. And don't forget to put on that notification bell so you know every time that I post. Sometimes I do surprise you guys, but I typically do post every Thursday. But I don't know, maybe in 2019 I'll do 2 videos a week. Who knows? Put on that notification bell so you can find out. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below any suggestions that you guys want to see with this palette. I do have an idea of what I'm going to do next, but there's like a whole array of shades right here. So if you guys want me to do a specific look, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, without further ado, if you want to see how to get this cranberry, I don't know what I'm calling this look yet, romantic, cranberry, I don't even know. But yeah, without further ado, if you want to see how to get this eye look right here, just keep watching. Hey guys, so I already have my brows and my eyelids primed. I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so go check that out. I'll link that down below for you guys. And as usual, I primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan. And to set it, I used the MAC Soft Focus Powder. So in my haul video, I talked about this mulberry shade right here. I definitely want to dive into that. And I want to use this sultry shade. So I want to try those out. I'm really liking this palette. Like, the color scheme is A1. So I'm going to start off with this burnt orange shade right here. And I'm going to be using my C512 brush and just putting that right in the crease. So this is definitely a first impressions. I haven't used this palette yet. So let's hope for the best. The last palette that I used that was the newest from ANASTASIA was the Soap Culture palette. And I did use it on my channel, but I did notice like that, I don't know, the colors were different than when I put it on. Like the camera was picking it up differently and it wasn't even. So let me stop rambling and apply this. So I've kind of stopped getting the Anastasia palettes. I do have the Modern Renaissance one that I really like that, but I really wanted to just try this soft glam palette because I really did want it, and I played with it, and it's definitely, it has the quality of the Modern Renaissance, I feel like. So this burnt orange shade is in the Modern Renaissance palette, so I already know what it looks like a little bit. So the next shade that I want to dip into is Sienna right here, and I'm going to be using a MAC 217 brush, and I just dipped it in a little bit. And yeah, I'm getting a lot of fallout, but you know, fallout is okay as long as the color applies. Oh wow. So she is pigmented. Oh yeah, this is so pretty with that burnt orange. Ooh, you can honestly just do this and maybe a natural color on the lid. That's pretty. But I want to be a little dramatic. I kind of want to test out the shades that speak to me, and I really love a cranberry eye. I just think it's so pretty. Oh yeah, we like Sienna. Sienna is pretty. So I just dipped it in again just to add some more color. I'm going to go back in with that C512 brush just to blend out any harsh lines and kind of marry the burnt orange and the sienna together. Oh yeah, I'm liking this eye. So now I'm going to be dipping into that mulberry shade right here. I really like this shade because it's like a cranberry. So pretty. It's like a brownish reddish color. So let's try that technique I was talking about. So I'm gonna put it right here. The reason why people do it here is because you get more definition here, so it opens your eyes a little bit more. I love this. I think this might have replaced my Modern Renaissance because you can honestly use every color in there. Like you have your natural everyday, and you have a black in there, so if you want to go out at night. Well, I'm liking that technique. You see the difference? See how it's like so defined right here? Love that. So I just place it right here, and then I go back and forth, and then go in circular motions over here, and then I go in, and then do the same on the other side. I just don't go in over here, I just blend the inner corner. I love the color payoff. Like, the color definitely looks the same on my lid as it is in the palette. Now I'm going back in with the C512 just to blend out any harsh lines, as I usually do. And there's no additional product. This is just the leftover burnt soda. This is the leftover burnt orange that we have on here. So for the lid, I think I'm going to go into this sultry color right here. It's like a brown, but then you have like that purple and that pink reflex. So I'm just going to put that all over the lid. I'm going to start right here. Oh yeah. So I'm going to go in the corner right here and then just do like a light cut. So definitely loving this palette. So I only use 3 shadows, so I'm going to stop there. I don't want to overwhelm you guys because I know sometimes I can go crazy with using too many shadows. So this is only 3 shadows from the palette. So I'm going to pop on some lashes. These are the EYLURE Marquise Silk Effect lashes. I've talked about these lashes a bunch in my videos. I feel like I love these lashes. They're like wispy and dramatic, but like not too dramatic. You know what I mean? Like they're just so pretty. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys on and then I'll be right back. All right, so I popped my lashes on. I love these. Like I talk about them literally every time I do a video because I've been obsessed with them. So to cover my lash band, I'm gonna be using the STILA Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm actually going to be trying out this mascara that I talked about in my haul video. This is the STILA Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. So we're going to see how this mascara is. I'm not going to really be able to tell until I do my bottom lashes because I'm only putting it on my lashes. So you'll see a little bit later. So I'm going to do my foundation off camera. I do have a full coverage foundation routine on my channel. So go check that out to see how I do my foundation. So I'm going to do that off camera and I will be right back to do underneath my eye. Okay, so my foundation is on. So we're going to move on to underneath my eyes. So I'm going to be taking that burnt orange shade right here with a C528 brush. And I'm just going to go right underneath my eye. Now using that same brush, I'm going to dip right into sienna and then do the same thing. I'm going to start actually right here and then start pushing it backwards. And I like to go underneath my eye just to make the eyeshadow more continued, especially since I have like a crease right here. I feel like it just completes the look. With that same brush again, I'm going to be taking that mulberry shade and I'm just going to put it right on the outer V over here. So I did go to the outer V, but then I just started to drag inwards. I don't know, I think it looks so pretty. And I'm just gonna take what's left over and just put it like right here. I'm not gonna go all the way to the inner corner. So now with the C527 crown brush, this little small pointed brush, I'm gonna be taking that sultry shade and I'm just gonna be popping it right underneath here. Oh my god. I love this eye so much. And then just to blend everything, I'm taking that C512. And just to add a little bit of definition to my waterline right here, I'm going to be taking that mulberry shade and this flat brush right here. So this is like a flat straight brush. And it's just going to fit perfectly right underneath my lash line. So I start on the end and then I move inward. And I like to place the shadow. I don't like to drag it. Oh my god. This is like a perfect like Valentine's Day eye. That's cute. I love this. Oh my god. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Au Naturel by Laura Mercier and just pop that in my waterline. And this is just going to make my eyes look a little bit bigger because it's a neutral shade. Alright, now here's the true test with this mascara. I'm going to put it on my bottom lashes. I'm going to see if it bleeds throughout the night because I am going out to dinner with my boo. So let's hope and pray for the best. I'm like not satisfied with this. I'm just so used to the Giorgio. Like one coat and it'll be done. So I'm on 2 coats already and it's nice. It's just the Giorgio one leaves them so much longer. I didn't go head over heels for it, but you know, it is what it is. Huge is an understatement. Let's just say that. Anyway, so let's move on to lips. So since we have a bold eye, I don't know if I want to do a bold lip. You know what? Let's do a bold lip because I just want to try out this lipstick. I've never tried this lipstick out on here. So I'm actually, let's see if this will go. Oh, I think this will look pretty. Okay. So I'm actually going to be using a different lipstick today since we're using new products. So for lips, I'm going to be using this burnt orange shade right here. I love this. I wore this so many times. So I'm going to be lining my lips with Cork lip liner as I usually do. This is my everyday lip liner. And I think every black girl needs Cork lip liner and Chestnut. Like, those are the best lip liners in my opinion because they literally go with anything. Because Cork is nice, but Chestnut, oh, I'm loving my under eye right now. I use a beauty blender to set it with powder and it looks so smooth and flawless. Now I'm gonna pop this lipstick on. This is MAC Marrakesh and this is matte. So to lighten it up a little bit, I'm gonna be taking this BECCA gloss. This is Opal because I feel like that lip color, I don't know, I had it differently. I had it looking differently in my vision. This lip like kills it. No, I don't like this. Me no likey. Okay, so let's try this again. I didn't like that. I'm just gonna stick to my everyday lip shade because I tried it, didn't work. Moving on. So I'm going to be using that same Cork lip liner and I'm going to be taking another lipstick. So just ignore the orange on my lips. So now I'm going to be taking Taupe by MAC and this is like a brownish pink. So I feel like this would definitely go with this eye. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is definitely like a Valentine's Day look right now. That just means I have to do something different for Valentine's Day. So I usually go back in with the lip liner just to make sure the line is there. Oh yeah, I'm liking this so much better. So this is my cute pink inspired eye. So we want to make sure that this stays on all night. So we're going to spray my Scandinavia spray. I'm not inhaling because last time I nearly choked to death. So I'm going to wait a little bit. Oh God. It like lingers, you know? So this is the finished look from the Soft Glam palette. I am loving this eye. And I love the lip. I'm glad that I switched that lip because I feel like this goes so much better. It's such a soft glam look, but you're still kind of glam, you know? It's so pretty. And as far as this Soft Glam palette, I'm definitely loving it. I would give it a freaking, maybe a 9? No. I think I would give it an 8 because there is a lot of fallout, but I do like the shades. I love that the colors look how they are in the palette on my eyes. It's just, it's so pretty. It's such a good palette to have, I think. Like, I definitely think this is a great beginner's palette because you have like your everyday shades in there, which are like here, and then you have some bold shades over here if you want to go a little bit bolder. So I do like this palette. Yeah, I definitely don't regret buying this. I'm definitely going to use this in more tutorials so I can show you guys more looks. So if you do want to pick this up, this is Aryelle approved. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my mermaid squad. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.